Hi, I hope you're doing well. So, today we want to talk about what I just accomplished lately, or just let's say what I was up to. I was trying to understand how you implement CAPTCHA, and I was thinking that okay, let's implement it in htmx. So I did just that, and yep, let's look at it and see how it is done. 5500. So if I go here, yep, here is our front-end application that is implemented in htmx. So I go to register, and yep, like you can see here, we have uh, uh, this box over here that shows our website is protected by html by reCAPTCHA, and now I enter my information, and when I hit sign up button, it just sends a request to our Google Cloud platform, and it just kind of do some magics, and then decides whether you're a human or a bot, and it sends you back a score. Then based on that score, you can decide whether to just yeah, decide how to interpret that score that was assigned to the action that user performed in your web application. As it stands right now, Google still thinks that I am a human, so it just sent me a highest score. As you can see in my backend application, if I open it, this util functions, I have a isBot function, which I wrote a documentation for it. Google usually, not usually, Google just returns you a score which ranges from 0 to 1, and I have decided that okay, if your score is less than 0.7, then you're a bot. If that's higher than that, then you're a human. But why 0.7? Because I'm using the free plan, and they only send me four different scores, which is zero point 0.1, 0.3, 0.7, and 0.9. In general, they have 11 different scores that they might send you. So it's better to consult with their documentation to learn about the specific details that they have. By the way, I also created a GitHub kind of repo for this project. You can read through it, and I have also written a good documentation for it. But yeah, regarding regex, actually, as you can see here, under the docs section, you can click on reCAPTCHA, and then it just redirect to the docs that I wrote for this reCAPTCHA. Here I just completely broke down and went in far more details than what I'm right now explaining to you. Because of that, I don't want to re-explain and reiterate over every tiny details that I have already written down here. So I highly recommend it to you. So if you don't know how to implement reCAPTCHA, how to do it in htmx specifically, or how to implement it in ExpressJS, you can read this, and it's a great starting point in my opinion. But yeah, nothing beats their official documentation. It's super simple. I was a little afraid at the beginning how they wrote their documentation, but it's super convenient, and it's really well written, and you can just find your way. And if any question, I highly recommend you to read their documentation. Like always, it's the best place to learn something. So that's for now.